Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's release from Tihar jail after 50 days was supposed to be a triumphant moment for the Aam Aadmi Party. Supporters celebrated with sloganeering and flag waving, but their relief was short-lived as a new controversy erupted involving their Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal. The AAP is now caught in a controversy surrounding their party's Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal. Just 2 days after his release, on Monday morning, the Delhi police received a call from Swati Maliwal in which she alleged that she was attacked in the Chief Minister's Flagstaff Road residence. The authorities soon arrived at the scene where she claimed that Kejriwal's aide, Bibhav Kumar, had attacked her at the behest of Kejriwal. She had reportedly gone to the Chief Minister's residence to meet him after he was released from the jail, but the staff refused to let her in. Maliwal then went to the Civil Lines police station at around 10:30 am but did not register a complaint at the time. While she was at the police station, she reportedly received a few calls and she left saying that she would return, but she never did. For 3 days, the Aam Aadmi Party and Swati Maliwal maintained silence on the issue until AAP's Sanjay Singh held a press conference in which he admitted that Maliwal had been harassed by Kejriwal's personal assistant, Bibhav Kumar, and strict action would be taken against him. Breaking silence, Maliwal then took to X, saying, "What happened to me was very bad. I have given my statement to the police on the incident that happened to me. I hope that appropriate action will be taken. The last few days have been very difficult for me. I thank those who prayed for me, and those who tried to do character assassinations said that she was doing it on the instructions of the other party. May God keep them happy too. An important election is going on in the country. Swati Maliwal is not important. The issues of the country are important," she added. "There is a special request to BJP people to not do politics on the incident," she wrote. This was the first statement that the party and Swati made after the alleged assault. And the BJP came down heavily on the party. The BJP, however, seized the opportunity to attack, claiming that the Delhi Chief Minister was coercing Maliwal into silence and isolation. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman lashed out at Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, condemning the alleged assault of Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Swati. Addressing a press conference, Nirmala Sitharaman questioned AAP National Convener Kejriwal's silence on the matter and hit out on him for being seen with his personal assistant Bibhav Kumar, who is accused of assaulting Maliwal.
It's utterly shameful that a member of parliament, a woman who headed the Delhi Women's Commission, was treated like this, and she herself has gone to complain to the police station. But I fear that now she is also being really threatened that she should not come forward to do any more on this. And in utter disgust, I am shocked that the Chief Minister has not even spoken about it.
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma said, "The question is, why is Arvind Kejriwal silent? Where was he when it was happening? Was he in the same room or not? Why is Kejriwal still roaming with that man?"
स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने दिल्ली पुलिस को कंप्लेन दिया है, स्टेटमेंट भी दिया है। उन्होंने साथ में ये भी बोला है कि मेरा साथ जो हुआ है वो बहुत ही बुरा हुआ है। अभी प्रश्न यही है, अगर बहुत बुरा हुआ है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चुप क्यों रहे? उनका सामने जब बुरा हुआ था, अरविंद केजरीवाल कहाँ था? केजरीवाल अभी एक क्रिमिनल बन चुका है। ये आज का स्वाति मालीवाल का ट्वीट से इसको दोबारा पुष्टि मिलती है।
On Thursday night, the Delhi police filed an FIR against Kumar after Maliwal submitted her statements to the authority. Swati Maliwal underwent a medical checkup for about 4 hours on Thursday night. A Delhi police team reached AIIMS with Maliwal at 11 pm and left at 3:15 am. Delhi Commission for Women member Vandana Singh also accompanied Maliwal. An X-ray and CT scan were done. In her complaint, Swati Maliwal has alleged that she was physically assaulted and hit multiple times on sensitive body parts. She claimed that her head hit a table and Kumar continued beating her despite that. Bibhav Kumar threatened me and said, "Do whatever you want to do, you cannot harm us. We will break your bones and bury you at such a place that no one will ever know," alleged Swati Maliwal. Swati's ex-husband Naveen Jaihind also jumped in the bandwagon, claiming that there was a threat to her life. Taking to X, he said that the assault against Maliwal was part of a bigger conspiracy and there was danger to her life. Meanwhile, the Delhi police has intensified its search for Kejriwal's aid a day after an FIR was registered in connection with the case. Around 10 teams of the Delhi police are probing the matter, of which 4 are tracing Bibhav Kumar's location. He is likely to be in Punjab's Amritsar as per sources aware of the matter. The controversy escalated when the BJP shared an image of Kumar with Kejriwal at Lucknow airport. Kejriwal, when questioned about the case, remained silent and handed the microphone to Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. The National Commission for Women on Thursday summoned Kumar in connection with the case and asked him to be present at the office on May 17, 11 a.m. NCW chairperson Rekha Sharma addressed a press conference on Friday after the deadline for Bibhav's appearance passed and said if Bibhav did not turn up by Saturday, an NCW team will visit his residence. There were also videos surfacing online reportedly showing an altercation between Maliwal and the staff at Kejriwal's residence.
I will do it. आज मैं इन लोगों को सबको बताऊं।
हाँ बता देना वो आपका हेडेक है।
आप मेरे को डीसीपी से बात करेंगे अभी है।
अभी करा रहे हैं आप आइए।
आप उधर आ जाओ।
आप आइए ना।
नहीं मैं एसएचओ सिविल लाइन से बात करूंगी पहले।
नहीं हम यहाँ नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं अब यही होगा और जो करना है करो। और तुम्हारी भी नौकरी खाऊंगी अगर मेरे को टच करेगा।
हम हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस का, उसके बाद मैं बात करूंगी।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएगी ना।
नहीं कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो होगा।
प्लीज कम विद मी।
आ जाओ मैडम बात सुन।
आ जाओ मैडम प्लीज।
उठा के फेंक ना।
हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे।
हम तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
आज फेंक दो।
आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं।
हम
आपके साथ ऐसा थोड़ा करेंगे।
ये गंजा
देखिए
प्लीज आप
मैडम नहीं
आप ऐसे ना बोलिए।
Just because you are
क्योंकि आपसे भी ऐसे
CCTV
बोल रहे हो।
To this, Maliwal said, this political hitman is making efforts to save himself. Truth will emerge after CCTV footage of Delhi Chief Minister's residence drawing room is investigated. But AAP has declared an open war against Swati Maliwal. Reacting to the video, AAP MLA said Maliwal ka sach. AAP MLA Dilip K. Pandey said that even the slightest light of the lamp of truth is enough to dispel the sweetest darkness of Swati's lies and arrogance. The BJP has demanded a probe into the matter, while Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said, if any atrocity happens to any woman anywhere, we stand with the woman. The Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal are tasked with several challenges. To continue campaigning ahead of the May 25th elections, free themselves from the dent of the Liquorgate scandal and now resolve the Swati Maliwal issue. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.